Should you give away some of your planned inheritance while you're still alive or wait until after you pass away? Hi, it's Nancy Beauvier here with Agape and NEXsteps. The other day I read an article in Market Watch that spoke about a financial planner named Adam Harding. He had made a post on X where he talked about a discussion that he had with a 73-year-old client of his, and they discussed giving away a portion of her finances now while she was still alive to some of her relatives. Now, I know that we all have heard in the past there's always been some people out there who have gifted financial resources or other items that would be intended for an inheritance that are gifted to the planned beneficiaries during the lifetime of the individual. But this is really starting to gain some traction by more and more people. And the interesting thing is this post on X received almost 11 million views. So it shows that there's a lot of thought out there. And you know, there's a lot of reasons, a lot of good reasons, why you might want to consider passing on some of your planned inheritance while you are still alive, called a living legacy. I mean, obviously, one of the first things is you can help ease financial burdens for your loved ones that you can witness in your lifetime. If you have a child or a grandchild who potentially needs a little help with a down payment on a house, for instance, or they have perhaps medical issues because of their own health, or a child that has issues, or maybe you want to just help a child or a grandchild with some expenses for education. Whatever it is, you can gain the satisfaction of watching these people benefit from your generous gift while you are alive. But there's also some drawbacks to doing something like this. Like everything in life, there's always pros and cons. So one of the main concerns about gifting your inheritance too early is that it may end up putting you in financial jeopardy in the future. We know that we're living longer and longer. As I mentioned in a prior video, the fastest growing age cohort right now is the over 100s. You know, we used to retire and the average life expectancy used to be in the 70s. Now it's in the 80s. But even at that, people are living, more and more people are living well into their hundreds. So the concern is that will you run out of money before you run out of life? And you have to make sure that you're prepared for that. So should you gift your savings, your nest egg, your well-earned possessions, life savings, should you gift them now, or should you wait until after you pass away and account for those in a will? Well, the answer is it depends. How big is your nest egg? What else do you have? How secure is your future? Do you know how long you're going to live? Some people have chronic illnesses, or perhaps if you know that you have a life-threatening illness, you might want to gift some things now. But there is a great deal of planning that's required. There are laws that can affect your gifting of these things, both to the positive and to the negative. I expanded on this topic in an article on my website, and if you're interested, I'd like to invite you to jump over to my website and check out the article. But always, always, always make sure that you don't make these decisions without proper planning and without the advice of the appropriate professionals who can guide you regarding your financial status, as well as making sure that you're doing things in the best way for taxation purposes and for the law. I'll leave you with that. Thanks very much. Talk to you next time. Bye for now.